Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The French coastal palette you'll want to copy. You know that feeling when you step off a train in a small seaside town in Normandy or Brittany? The air is salty, the light is soft, and every house seems to exhale calm. That's exactly the vibe we're chasing today with French coastal home design. Not fussy, not overly nautical, just quietly beautiful. The secret weapon? A main wall color that's a very light, airy white with a faint blue undertone. Think Benjamin Moore's atmospheric. From there, we're layering in soft powder blue, faded sky blue, and the gentle warmth of whitewashed oak. No screaming navy anchors or bright red buoys here. Just the feeling of a linen shirt on a breezy morning. Ready to walk through the house? Let's start at the curb because that first glimpse should make you exhale. Paint your exterior plaster or stucco in that atmospheric white. It reads as a soft, chalky white until the late afternoon sun hits it, and then that gorgeous faint blue undertone winks at you like the sea in the distance. Trim out the windows and shutters in a true powder blue, but keep it faded, not crayon bright. A whitewashed oak front door, think pickled, not painted, grounds everything with natural warmth. For the garden, stick to rambling lavender, silvery Santolina, and a few weathered terracotta pots. Toss a pair of faded blue linen cushions on a wrought iron bench, and you're done. No need for a flagpole or a ship's wheel, promise. Step inside, and this is where the palette wraps around you like a soft sweater. Keep the atmospheric white flowing from the exterior right through the foyer. It makes a small entry feel twice as big and turns every bit of natural light into something almost liquid. Add a console table in whitewashed oak, very simple and a little bit distressed, with a chunky ceramic bowl in powder blue for keys and shells. Hang a faded sky blue linen curtain over a small coat closet instead of a door. It's softer, more French, and so much friendlier. A vintage mirror with a bleached wood frame leans against the wall, and underfoot, a jute rug with a subtle blue border. You've already forgotten you were in a hurry. This is where you live in the palette all day long. Paint the walls atmospheric white. Then bring in a faded sky blue sofa. Think washed linen slipcovers that look like they've been kissed by the sun for years. Layer in a whitewashed oak coffee table, raw, matte, no gloss, and a pair of armchairs in natural burlap or off-white canvas. For texture, toss on pillows in 2 shades, powder blue and a barely there blue-gray. Keep the curtains light and breezy, white cotton with a tiny blue pinstripe. And here's the trick. Leave the ceiling white but paint the inside of a built-in bookcase that soft powder blue. It's a surprise that makes the whole room smile. A jute rug, a few sea glass vases, and you'll never want to leave this room. You want to sleep like you're in a seaside village with the windows cracked open, right? Start with atmospheric white on the walls. It's so soft it feels like a cloud before you even add bedding. Then go for a whitewashed oak bed frame, simple and low to the ground, with a faded sky blue quilt or matelass coverlet. Layer on white linen sheets and a single powder blue throw at the foot. For the nightstands, look for painted pieces in a distressed powder blue, or keep them whitewashed oak for warmth. Hang sheer white curtains that let light filter through like morning fog, and add a faded blue velvet pillow for a little quiet luxury. One small painting of a beach or a boat in soft blues is plenty. No theme rooms, please, just calm. French coastal dining isn't formal. It's long lunches and clinking glasses. Paint the walls atmospheric white, but here's a fun twist. Paint the ceiling a very, very pale powder blue. It feels like eating under a faded sky. Keep your dining table in whitewashed oak. Scratches and water rings just add character, and surround it with mismatched wood chairs in natural and faded blue finishes. A sideboard in weathered powder blue holds white dishes and linen napkins. On the table, run a runner of natural linen with a subtle blue stripe, then add a cluster of white hydrangeas or dried lavender in a clear glass vase. Candles in pale blue glass holders? Yes, you'll find yourself lingering over cheese and wine for hours. This room could go cold or clinical, but not with our palette. Paint the upper cabinets in atmospheric white and the lower cabinets in a soft powder blue for a classic French farmhouse feel. Keep the walls in that same atmospheric white so the whole space feels seamless and bright. Use whitewashed oak for open shelving or a butcher block island. It warms up all that blue like sunshine. A faded sky blue tile backsplash, zellage or handcrafted subway tile, adds just enough pattern without screaming beach. Countertops in off-white limestone or light quartz keep things airy. Hang a few copper pots for warmth, set out a powder blue enamel kettle, and stack white dishes on open shelves. It's the kind of kitchen where everyone ends up standing around the island with a glass of rose. Last stop, and honestly this might be your favorite. Paint the walls atmospheric white, then paint the vanity in a deeper faded sky blue. It feels like a little piece of the coast. A whitewashed oak mirror frame and shelf keep things organic. For the shower or tub surround, use pale blue penny tiles or large format matte tiles in soft powder blue. Hang thick white towels on a bleached wood ladder, and fold one faded blue Turkish towel for a pop of contrast. Keep the window treatment simple. A white cotton cafe curtain with a blue hem. Add a sea sponge in a white ceramic dish, a bar of French milled soap, and a small vase of dried statice in faded blue. You'll feel like you're rinsing off after a swim, even if you're just brushing your teeth.